here like that OC. Shit spicy, ain't it?
What's up, Glonk? Squink here. It's another early morning. My children are asleep, so I'm talking quietly. We got one from police activity today. Stolen vehicle pursuit ends with suspects hiding in dumpster. Cool. Let's jump in. I've never seen this.
50-01, what's all your attention? 5056, USP is going to be in pursuit of that vehicle. He's by himself. Hey, blue bonds, he's got a dog, Push ball on stage.
Alright. It's turning on veering right now.
Just turned on veering, I think USP's got it. 540, I'm behind him.
Go get him. Get him.
Clear 10-30, 10-30.
Alright, 5056. GSP's gonna be in pursuit of that vehicle. He's by himself. Hey, be advised, he's got a dog.
Alright, roll overhead.
Oh, the suspect has a
Pushing
dog.
towards Peachtree. Alright, got eyes on the canine. I'm looking for Buddy here.
Oh, never mind.
Alright, I got him. We're running northbound, 37.
Alright, so... the suspect does not have a canine. I don't know what I was thinking. That's the suspect.
Standish Avenue, running northbound.
We had a lot of different people.
I got 3 individuals running northbound on Standish Ave. Next cross, it's going to be off of Peachtree and Standish. Currently running through a parking lot.
Who's struggling right here?
Hey, pushing towards Peachtree. Affirm, pushing towards Peachtree.
Push bond on Standish, pushing towards Peachtree. Get up to Peachtree.
What are they doing with the sirens?
They're pushing towards Peachtree. Get the fuck out! Get on the ground! Get the fuck out of your stuff!
He's like, I'm literally just sitting here. I waited for you guys. Why are you cussing at me?
Right now!
Alright, got eyes on the canine.
Honestly though, what's going on with the sirens?
Shut
Why do
the
we keep
fuck
flipping
up.
them?
Alright, I got him. We're running northbound, 37 Standish Avenue.
No, y'all putting in work and y'all's ass got caught. That's it. No, you got caught, pimp. Y'all put in too much work. Oh yeah, you did something today, baby. You caught Ace. That's what happened.
Next cross, it's going to be off of Peachtree and Standish. Currently running
That's the face of, I should not have gotten involved with those guys.
through a parking lot.
Y'all caught Ace, baby.
They pushing towards Peachtree. Hey, we're pushing towards Peachtree. Eastern Road of Peachtree Park.
I got several out, so.
But I can only stay with one here.
Shut the fuck up, wearing gloves, just giving you a ride like this is my first day. You out here working.
I have it transmitting right now. It might be inoperable.
So that cop's pissed off. You can tell.
I got one in custody on Standish. Alright, one of these guys, he just jumped. Alright, 2 of them jumping a wall, running back westbound towards Standish Avenue.
And they're getting in the dumpster.
One's gonna be wearing a black hooded sweatshirt.
Are they not aware that this helicopter's watching every move?
dumpster here, 1720 Peachtree Street, Northwest.
Keep the light on.
Alright, we got officers about to make contact at the dumpster.
They're like, shoot.
We're coming in the parking lot now.
Okay.
We're coming in the parking
So
lot
what they
now.
just did here was spray pepper spray inside the dumpster. And that's very effective, because that'll make their eyes start watering and them start coughing, and it's just not a good situation.
Okay.
Are they justified in using the OC? Yes, because they're hiding. This is active resistance. They're trying to avoid arrest by hiding in a dumpster.
Out! Get out! Get out! On the ground! Hurry the fuck up! On the ground! On the ground! Hey, second one, come out! Second one, come out!
Is he gonna pretend he's not in there?
It's over. Come on out. Your hands up.
Come out! Hurry up!
And get on the ground. And get on the ground.
On the ground. The dumpster.
Get on the ground.
Hands up. He's complying with orders.
Hey, hold on. Hey, have them come back to us. Hey, I don't know if it's anybody else. Crawl back. To my voice. Crawl back. Don't look at me. Crawl back. Both of y'all. All black. Crawl.
So they're moving them away from the open hole in this dumpster just because they don't know for certain if there's a third or a fourth or fifth or a sixth or a 10th in there.
Crawl back. I know you're scared. Crawl back. Keep crawling. Hurry up. Yeah. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Okay. You got it? Adam, go ahead. I got contact. I got lethal.
So they're all coughing from the pepper spray. That shit is not fun.
We got 2 detained. OC sprayed. What's up, man? They was in hiding in the trash can, so he tried to pepper ball. They wouldn't come out. So it was a crack that's like,
Hey, good work, everybody.
they came right out.
Naturally.
I don't know. I'm scared to look, but it's fucking spicy. Hey, it's spicy.
Figure out where all these victims are. I think they got a police officer's car. There's a full gun belt in there.
Holy shit. So if you missed that, they just found a whole gun belt inside the stolen vehicle. Like a police gun belt.
Hey, I like that OC. Shit spicy, ain't it?
Oh, this guy would take one.
Do you have your what's called take it loose so I can see where it belongs to? No.
What
If
you
it's
need?
one of ours, could we not click it, activate it, and...
Yeah, you could, but it won't let me see it that way. I have to have the other.
Holy shit. Damn. Alright, so they recovered a duty belt. An APD officer's duty belt. Holy shit, so... Wow. Alright, these boys did some work. Alright, that'll do it. Pretty simple one, honestly. I'm gonna be gone Monday and Tuesday and Sunday, but I'm planning on recording all the videos that would be released daily. I'm gonna record them all tonight and have them scheduled to release so that there'll be no interruptions for you guys. No interruptions. It'll be like I never left. So, alright, that'll do it. We'll see you tonight for Squink Advises Reddit. Yeah. Alright, we'll see you around. Bye.